So what is another method we have?
Interface.
Concrete method, right?
Yeah, sorry.
Now here, now second point is for interfaces, we can declare what we can declare reference variable, but reference variable we can declare. Third point is we can't create a object. Yes, object. We can't create an object. Unable to create objects for interfaces. Now fourth point. Now here by default, what is there by default? So by default, all the variables, what are these? All the variables are public, internally, static, and then final. So these three things are already there in this. It is public, static, and final. Okay. So no need to declare them explicitly. It is by default. It is. Now fifth one.
So like every variable is like public, static, final, like what?
Correct. Yes. Whatever the variable we are giving, it will be automatically treated as public, static, and final.
Oh, okay.
And by default, all the methods. So by default, all the methods are public and abstract. So no need to explicitly declare them. Okay. So now sixth point is in general, in applications, in Java applications, we use where applications. We are able to utilize the interfaces. We do use interface concept. Interfaces. So for what? To declare services. Declare what? Services without the implementation. Without what? Implementation. And we will provide implementation responsibility to some other module, some other module developer or third party organization. So what it is saying exactly is in general, so whatever the Java application, in general, we do use interfaces to declare what? Services. Now, so without the implementation, we will provide the services, but we are not going to show them what we have done internally. Okay. So that is about like a few basic points about what?
Interface.
Yeah, about interface. Yes.
What
Now,
will be the actual interface definition?
yeah, it is just for example, if you wanted to have a definition, it is a collection of abstract methods. See here, and
Okay.
variables. See here, it is a Java feature. It is one of the feature. It allows only abstract methods. It is, and also we can say that it is partially, not fully incomplete. We can say that also. Seventh point. It is fully incomplete. Incomplete it is. So it means what? When the abstract is partially incomplete, then only we are unable to create the objects. Now it is fully incomplete, so we cannot create the objects. Yes. So now this is my interface. Yeah, now interface. Now let's try to execute something in this. Here, I'm just writing a main method. So I'm just trying hello. Can I execute this? Yeah, it is working good.
Yeah.
Now, for example, if I don't want this, let's write one method here. So the method is void yum1. Now, what I need is CISO. This is method one. Method one. Now, can I execute this one? To execute this, what we need? We need to create what?
Object.
Object. So how we can create an object? Like for example, inter. We cannot create interfaces. I is equal to new, and then it is
Interfaces.
uh, interfaces and this. Now, will it work? See, it is not giving any error. The value of the local I variable is not used. Uh-huh. It is not used here. For example, in I'm taking, it is giving me that it is not used. So I can use here in dot yum1. Now, now everything is all good. Now let's execute this. What I'm getting?
Third one.
Yes, method one. So what is the meaning of this? Uh, now, did we created a class or interface?
Class.
Yes, that is the reason it is working, right? Now,
Yeah.
if I don't write this, I just wanted to have interface only. I interface. Now you can see the color has been changed.
Oh yeah.
Interface, how we can denote, how we can represent interface. Now, for example, for the class, we are giving a name. For the interface also, we should give a name. Like for example, I'm giving I. Okay. So the moment I have written to the interface, what happened? I got so many errors. What is the first error? Let's see. Public type must be defined in its own file. Okay. Mm, let me take here yum0. Here also it is yum0.
What does it mean? Like, what is the
Yeah.
what is that error?
Hmm. No, we are getting an error. Why we are getting error? Because abstract methods do not specify a body. So what I said,
Oh, okay, I got you.
interfaces only accepts what abstract methods. But here I am giving the body for this. That is the reason it is going giving me error. And here another error. Why? Because we cannot create a object. Or no?
Yeah.
Yes. So now what I will do is I will not create this body. I'm just removing it and then like this. So now see this method. This error is no more this error. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Once again, I'm getting some error here. Let's see what is that error. Public type I must be defined in its own file. So I guess I have already given to something. J. Let me give inter. So my interface name is what inter, and everything is all set.
Mm-hmm. So why did you change like method M1 to M0?
No problem. We can give it this also. There is no issue with that. No, I thought
Okay.
like it is present in some other. So now,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
now here I need to change this as interface, or what is the name of my class? That class name is inter only, right? Inter.
Yes.
and then here also it should be like inter should be inter, but it is giving us error. What is the error?
Public typing.
We are getting this is the error. What is this? Cannot instantiate. Means what is the meaning of this? We cannot create an object for this.
Yeah.
That is a clear indication. That is a clear meaning for this. So it means we cannot until and unless we are making any body. This is my design. This is the design.
Okay.
Design. For example, in this it is mentioned. In this it is mentioned to click the buttons. But after by clicking, how we are doing the implementation is not given in this. No implementation. So for this implementation purpose, we need to use one more class. But before that, we are getting one more error that we need to resolve. Is it something like with public? Yeah. So what it is? Interfaces should be what?
Yeah.
Public.
By default.
Yes. Yeah. By default, it is right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is what public I removed, and only one error it is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what is that one error? It is a cannot
Object.
cannot instantiate the type intent. So this is the problem. Now what we can do here is now I don't want this problem to happen. So what is the best I can do in this is I can take another class. So let me remove this main method here from here. Main method. Okay. Interfaces. So the name I have given interfaces main method. Okay, here I'm removing this. This is my interface. In this interface, what I have design, but I need to create what I have to create for this implementation, right?
Yeah.
Yes. How to create that implementation? Let's see. Now,
The
now,
inheritance. Okay.
now, by default, this method will be what? Public
Yeah.
and abstract. Yes, this both by default. Anyhow, we can see that it is abstract, but also it is what? It is also public. So now we will write one class. Now class is A. For example, if I'm writing here, it is A. And how we are going to do implementation part? Just I need to write what implements. Implements. What I'm going to implement the inter. Yeah. Yeah. So I can see some error here. Unimplemented methods, maker type. A must be implement. Okay. We are going to implement now. The A type must implement the inherited. Okay. Now we are going to implement this until and unless. See, the moment I return implements, it means what we are taking this one to implement here. So now we are going to provide the body for this. Yes, void yum. So and then here it is method one implementation. Okay. Now again it is giving me some issues. Everything is okay, but there is one problem. What is the problem here? What is the method here? This method by default, what it is?
Public.
Public and abstract. And here we are not here we are not taking what public. So we have to take what public. It's gone. So the error is gone, right? So now
Yeah.
one more thing here you can note down is eighth point to implement implement, we do use a keyword. What is the keyword? Implements.
Yes, implements.
Yes. So now, now in this interface, my design, my buttons are this. But by pressing this button, we'll get some output. This is output I should get by pressing that button. But how this is written
Oh,
inside
your
this
screen is not changing.
screen is not visible.
It is, but it's not changing.
Oh, you join again. I see you are left.
No, no, no. I'm there.
Can you see my? But I cannot see you on this participant list. So once again, can you rejoin or
What's wrong with it? Yeah. Yes, sorry.
how is it visible? Yes, Bharat. Is it visible?
Hello.
It is visible, Bharat.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can see my screen.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So what we are doing here is this class A is implementing the interface. Okay, this interface. So now let's try to execute this and check what is the output we are getting. What is the output we are getting? What we are getting
Error.
could not
No
could not
main class.
include the main class. So it means what? Whenever there is a class, we have to mention the main method, right? Main method.
Yes.
Yeah. So main method has to be done here. So until and unless we are not doing the main method, how we can do that?
Mm,
Main main method, and in this I need to create a. What I have to do? I have to create a object. Whose object I need to create?
enter.
A is equal to new.
Okay.
Hmm. Now here a dot m1. That's it. Let's execute this. Again, there is some problem. What is the problem?
Again, saying the same thing. It could not load main class.
Okay, so why we are getting, because the file name I kept interface. File name
Okay.
I kept interface and the class name I'm keeping this. So how it will be? A is already defined. It is saying. So what should be my name of the class? Interfaces, right? So while creating the file, I kept what interfaces. Interfaces implements this. So now where I need to make changes here,
In object.
hmm, here also, and then here also. Now let's execute this. We are getting
One
method one implementation is done. So whatever we have written in the interface, we cannot directly execute it this, because this is just a design. Now its implementation part requires one class. Okay, this is the class interfaces, and this implements. This is what is the interface, actual interface. Yeah. And this is a class interface. Like it's a class to implement this interface. Got it?
Yeah.
Now one more thing here. Can I also call this is what we have created. One more thing we can do. What we can do is I'm just copying this object. Another object also I can create. This one. I cannot create a same reference variable, so I'm just giving b here. And then here I will change something. Let's change here this, and I will keep on inter. Will it work? Will it will work? Will this work? B dot m1. Yeah, it will work because we are creating a reference variable for the inter. Inter is what? This interface. Yeah. No. Bharat, am I audible? Am I audible, Bharat? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Hello.
Yeah. So now, can I do this? Is it valid? So
Mm,
this is the interface, and this is my class. Actually, this is class. So it is,
I think it is valid.
huh?
Yes, it is.
Valid. It is valid. Okay, because we
Yes.
said that we can create a reference variable. Now, one more thing. If I'm copying the same thing, and if I'm taking here, here now in this case, I'm taking inter. Now what happens? It is giving me error. It is not possible. Okay, so this is invalid. Got it? Now let's execute this. I'm getting two times. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Now similarly, if I'm taking one variable here, so I'm just taking here int x is equal to 10. Now by default, what is this variable? This variable by default, what it is? Public, static, yeah, final. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, public, static, and final it is by default. Now I wanted to access this one. I wanted to access this here. Can I access? Can I access?
Yes.
So how we can access the? I wanted to access the 10. So how can I access? See, so first step. What is the first step we can access? How we can access this? I just wanted to get the 10 on my output screen. So I can take a as a reference variable a dot. Will it work? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it is working. A dot. Now again, how many ways we can get that 10? That's what I'm showing you.
Okay.
Can I also get with the help of directly interface inter inter dot x? Will it work? So it is showing that it is cannot. Now can I also take it with the help of class name? So what is the class name? Interfaces dot x. No, we cannot. And what else we can take here? What are the main ways we can do? Main, okay, a dot x. What is a here? Can we get a b dot x? Yes. Why we are not getting b dot x?
Because we used variable like reference variable.
See, what it is showing here is x cannot be resolved in this field. Now, what is this b? B is inter, like the reference variable it is for inter. Okay,
Yes.
yes. So now what we have done is we have written this int x is equal to 10 where we have written this one. We have written inside the class or interface.
Interface.
No, it is a class. See,
No, no, sorry. Class.
class
Yes.
keyword is there, right?
Yeah.
I'm removing this one and I'm keeping it in interface. Now, now can I take it? Will it be valid now? Both of them.
Yeah, maybe.
Both are valid because
Okay.
in the inter is the name of my interface, and that is a reference variable. B is a reference variable for the interface, and here A is a reference variable for my class. The class name is interfaces. Got it? Or you got confused?
A little bit, yeah, I didn't understand properly.
Okay. So see here, this interface is there, right? Keyword.
Okay.
As here we don't have class, here it is interface. So this is what interface,
Okay.
and the name of the interface is inter. Inside this, I have taken two members. One is method and another one is variable.
Variable. Yeah.
Now, these two things I have to implement. This is already implemented. This value is there already. This M1 I have to implement. For that purpose, I'm taking on another class. The class name is
Interface.
yeah, implements inter. Inter is my interface. Now I given a body and then I created how many objects I created?
Oh.
This is one object. Huh? One is both objects are of the class only. But what is the difference is this is reference variable. So I'm just calling with the reference variable a dot x. Now see so can I also call with the int. Let's see inter dot x and then class name dot x. So now this many ways we can execute it. See everything is giving me what 1, 2, 3, 4, 10.
Okay, like in this you use the reference variable for the object, right? Like inter. So only in interface we can do, or like in every.
No, what I mean to say is this is interfaces is a class. Yes.
Okay.
For this only I can create an object here. So one thing is for sure that objects are getting created only for class.
Okay.
Here also, what is the change here I made is A is there, no? A and B.
Yeah.
So here the reference variable, this B is the reference variable of what? Interface, inter. Here it is interfaces. Here it is a class. Here it is a interface. Okay. Right.
No, like here it is inter B, right? What is inter in here?
Inter is the name of this interface.
Okay.
Hmm. So with the help of this interface reference variable is B, we can also we can call this with the help of B. So it's simple. It is the total. It is a reference variable. In this, the reference variable and the object both are of class.
Okay.
But in this, the reference variable is for of interface and object is of class.
Okay, so that's a question, like why
I
it
will,
is like that.
because I told you, right, we cannot create an object for interface.
Okay, so that's why we took it. Yeah.
So here what I'm saying is inter b is what reference variable, and new interfaces is, this is what class object, class, it is class name. Here also, here it is, everything is what class only. And to print the variable, we can use all this way. This is a is what reference variable of the class, b is a reference variable of interface, and then name of the interface and name of the class. Yes. Yeah. So now this is what we can do. Now, for example, if I'm, this is one example, understood?
Okay.
Okay. Now, what we can do is we can implement many other things also. Like, for example, we have many interfaces. So
Okay.
that example also will try it out. How we can try that? New file, interface, interface. This is a file name, interface two. So what we have to do now? Now what I wanted is, I wanted to create a many interfaces. Can we do? Can we create many interfaces?
Yes.
Yes, we can. So for every interfaces, what we need?
What
For,
do?
e- for example, I'm just, this is my class or interface.
Class.
Yes. Just I am keeping interface. It will not become interface. It is the name of my class. Okay. Yes, that is fine. Now what I wanted is, there is a requirement of design
Interface. Yeah.
interface I1. Yeah. This is one interface.
Yeah.
Okay, this is one interface. Now again we have another interface I2. This is second. This is my first design. This is my second design and third design. Interface is I3.
3.
Yeah. So total, how many interfaces we have done?
3.
Yeah, three interfaces we are done. Okay. So now in this, I wanted to design one abstract method. So now, for example, if it is void, uh, it should greet. It should say good morning. So greet method it is. Okay. Now this is what my design part. Now this interface too. This is another one. It has to wish me my birthdays. Whenever there is a birthday, it has to wish me. Yeah. Okay. I cannot give the body, right. Body we should not give because it is interface.
Interface.
Now this has to be wish me happy birthday. This has to greet me, and one more method here it is, we have to take. It has to remind me about my food. It's a time for your food. Okay, so it is my timer. I can say food time, food timer. Okay, I cannot give this. So how many designs are ready now? This
Three.
is this is just a what we can say it is
Start method.
upper. It is just like it is a method, but it is a upper layer. We can say upper part. Internally,
Okay.
you have to implement this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It is like a prototype or model, mo- model or pro, prototype. Yes, this all are. So now I need to implement this. How I can implement? Yes. Now we need to check. We already have a class. What is the name of the class? Interface 2. Yes.
Interface to, yeah.
Now here, what I need to do here is whatever the class is there, I need to implement, right? Implements. What are the things I need to implement? I1,
I1, I2, I3.
I1, comma, I2, I3. Yeah, this is what I need to
Yeah.
do. Okay, but it is giving me some error. Let's see what is the error it is. Type 2 must be inherited. Okay, it is giving me that whenever I'm inheriting, I need to create a body for them. If I'm not creating body, it will be showing error only. So let's create the body for this. So whose body I need to create first? Green.
I1.
This one
Oh,
will take I1. So what I can do is here first I need to create a main method.
yes.
Main method is done. Now here I can create a body. Now whenever I'm creating a body, what happens? Yes,
Like you have to implement.
yes. What I need to do is here I need to implement. So it is already it will be what I need to do public void greet. So CISO good morning or good night anything.
Okay.
This is the implementation part of the first method greet. After greet we have this also. So for this also I need to provide implementation. What is the implementation here? CISO and then wish me happy birthday fine. Now it is giving me error because visibility. Click when got it. Now greet is done, wish me is done, food is left. Here also what we need is public, and here implementation part I'm doing. It is
Yeah.
the time. It is the
Yeah.
breakfast. Mhm. So am I implemented everything?
Yes.
Yes. But this is not possible in inheritance concept. It is possible in interface. Yes or no? That is one
Yeah.
thing you
Yeah.
have to understand this because here we are taking it is a concept of multiple interfaces. So now what we have to do here is what I need to do here is I need to create a class. Yes or no?
Yes.
I need to create one class, right? Why I need to create one class? To implement everything.
Yeah.
So how we can do that?
Creating object.
We have created a main method already. Now we have to
Yeah.
create one object. Whose object I need to create? Let's create one object. What is the class name I given here?
interface to
This one, na? This is what, and I'm just giving it t is equal to new, and then this.
supposed to
Done. Now let me call t dot. I can call all those. Food timer is
yeah,
there here. Food timer is done. I'm calling food timer. Then again we have greet.
greet wish me
Greet also I'm calling again. What we have t dot
wish me
wish me. So what is this object I created? What object and reference variable of a class.
yes.
So now if I'm working, I'm running this. I got right. It is a
Mm-hmm.
breakfast time, good morning, and happy birthday. So it is. This is the concept of multiple inheritance, like multiple sorry interfaces.
Interface.
One interface. This is two, three. All these things I'm implementing in the class. Got it? Now
Mm-hmm.
I can also try this way. Now how I can try it? I'm just copying this. Control C, V, and then instead of this T, I'm just writing T1. And here I can take what I don't want that. I can take here first my interface I1. I1. Will it work? It will work.
Actually,
Can I call like T1 dot mm, greet? See, it is showing me what grade it is showing. Now instead of grade, can I call like food
don't
food time?
think so.
Hmm?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, it will not work because why it is not working? Because
It's
this food,
different interface. Yeah,
yeah, it is food timer. It is in which this is I1, but food timer is the method in which interface?
three.
Yeah, this is wish. No, food timer is in the third one, right? This is the third method.
Yeah,
Wish me. Now, where is this wish me? Is there? Is second, na?
yes.
So we have to create an object for what? I2. I have to not. I have to create a not object. I have to create this interface. Now I get food timer, right? Food timer is third one, na? Yes,
Yeah,
I3, yes, yes. I3. Now it's gone, error is gone. Now I can
yes.
call it is a break time. Now,
Yeah,
for example, if I wanted to create another object for another method, so for another method, you can, if you wanted, you can do this way. For I2, what we have, it will, and a different variable you have to take 2, I2 is equal to new. Now here, a T2 dot. Here we have something called
wish me.
Vishmi is there. Vishmi is there. So Vishmi we got, and then I3, I2, I1. Here I can give I1, I1, and here T2 I need to remove to T3 I have to do. Now T3 dot greet. It is showing automatically, popping up. So is it working?
Yes.
Yes, it is perfectly working. All right. So this is what we do implement the interfaces. Got it?
Mm,
So now your task is take one the task take one interface. After that, after interface, take abstract and take one class. Write something, some program, small program, where all these three things are implemented. Okay. So that's it. This is a homework, and
So
I just
abstract, like, okay.
I mean to say, if you have designing something here, so that part you can take here, and also you have. I wanted you to just practice on this part also, like class extends class. Is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid, right? Oh, one class can we can inherit another class.
Yes.
Yes, it is valid. Now again, class extends. Can class extends inheritance interface, or can interface extend class, like this? All the possible combinations with the extends and with implements you have to try. All the possible combination with the two things we have, extends, this is extends, and another one is implements. Implements on what? On class. Class is one abstract class, and then we have interface. Okay, this is your task. I wanted you to complete it uh, when we are taking the next class. Got it?
Yeah.
So you have to take one class, try with the extend, all those apps, extend or implement. Take one class and do, so that you will get some idea on this. Okay. Yes, Bharat. Learn something
Yeah.
today.
Yes.
So what I will do is I will share it to the sir, and sir will be sharing it to you. Okay.
Mm.
Any doubts, Bharat?
Mm, yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So tomorrow again we will be dealing with a new concept, but before that I wanted to see your task. Okay. Yes. Bharat, then thank you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.